Each year, more than 200 million televisions are sold around the world. What's truly interesting is seeing how these TVs are assembled, tested and packaged, all on a carefully planned production line with workers and machines synchronized for incredible efficiency. But have you ever wondered how televisions are made? We visited an LED TV factory to find out how they're manufactured. This mega factory measures more than 1 million square meters and produces 500,000 smart TVs per year. Its specialty is making enormous televisions. It's a state-of-the-art production facility where people work quickly. One of today's technological marvels is the liquid crystal flat screen, which is the key component found in televisions, computer monitors and most smartphones. Compared to regular TVs, LEDs offer a more vivid image with better contrast, and the product is thinner. Modern TVs are much thinner than their predecessors thanks to changes in manufacturing processes. Glass is the largest component of a flat-screen TV, and it's the starting point for creating televisions. The process begins in a clean room where the TV screen is made. Liquid crystal displays are manufactured by sandwiching two thin sheets of glass. A layer of silicon is deposited, followed by a process that builds millions of transistor components precisely. This step is repeated to form tiny cells, one for each pixel on the screen. On the other sheet of glass, a matrix of millions of red, green, and blue dots is created, also known as a color filter matrix. Then, small amounts of liquid crystal material are dropped into the cells of the first sheet, and the two sheets are sealed. Next, the LEDs are installed. This is the machine responsible for placing the LEDs on their strips. The challenge is to spread their light across a screen that can be 1.5 meters wide. The solution is a transparent plastic known as plexiglass. When light shines through one end, the structure of the plexiglass scatters it across the entire sheet. On the production line, a robot places the panel over the light strip and then adds two optical films that enhance the light to make the screen look brighter and more colourful. High-pressure plastic injection machines produce the various front casings for different TV sizes. Once the screen is finished, the frames are added. However, the liquid crystals won't work without power. The components that distribute that power are made right here with this machine. They include the main board called the SSV and the PSB board, which is the power board. It's the brain of the TV, and its circuits contain complex algorithms that ensure the image and sound are perfect. There are also other boards like the control board on the sides of TVs, the remote control receiver board, and the Wi-Fi board. Generating image and sound involves using a large number of individual components placed one by one on thousands of motherboards. In this section, the boards are completed by inserting the components. Next, they go through a wave soldering process that electrically connects all the components. In the next stage, workers screw the motherboard into the TV's rear casing. The electric screwdrivers used to attach the boards to the TV panels are carefully calibrated to avoid over-tightening, and they're suspended from above to reduce fatigue. Afterward, the TVs go through a testing area where software and system information are recorded into memory so the device can be turned on. Then the back panels are added and the finished TVs go through a quick colour test. At this point, the TV is placed upright and turned on for the first time. All components are checked, and an electrical test is performed to verify everything is working properly. Some defects can't be seen with the naked eye, so high sensitivity scanners are fixed on key areas to ensure all the pixels are active and firing as they should. The average lifespan of one of these screens is 100,000 hours. Each pixel makes up a point of the displayed image. High-definition screens have more than 2 million pixels, and each one has 3 subpixels: red, blue and green. By combining those 3 colours, a TV can display over 1 billion different colours. The final quality control process lasts a minimum of 4 hours, and each device undergoes thorough testing. The entire process is supervised by highly skilled experts. The televisions are manually packed before being shipped in cardboard boxes, the end of a long assembly line that produces hundreds of TVs packed on pallets. And once packaging is complete, the TVs are loaded into a truck where they begin their journey to the customer. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and share it with someone who might find it interesting. Also, subscribe to this channel and activate notifications to keep learning. See you next time.